Hi, it's me again with a new journal of mine. I have made this journal using Paper Garden's Eternity in My Heart kit. I will actually show you shortly, because then you will understand the concept. I have made this kind of kit with a journal and all the laces and ephemeras and papers and so on, so that anyone could do a nice little soft colored junk or art journal or whatever you want to call it. And this is my version of it. I tested that the kit actually works, and I think it works just fine. So here we go. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Bloom with grace. Blessings. And I have made nooks here and there using the material. The daughter of a king. And all these kind of pretty little things are in the kit. And these are actual real vintage papers here. He calls me beautiful one. Little things. And I have tried to do my best to leave some pages empty, so one could actually write something on it. Everything beautiful in its time. You are loved beyond measure. I wanted this past spring and summer has been quite hard for everyone because of the, virus thingy, and therefore I wanted to make a journal that would actually be encouraging and lifting in a way, light, soft, gentle. God is within her, she will not fail. And I love this tiny little charm. I added just a printed rose paper and glued it in it, and it looks sweet. Be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are never alone. And I found this lovely vintage ad from a magazine from 1926, and it looks perfect. All the prints that are here are truly from original vintage papers that me or then my husband and Vara Lusikka Paper Garden owns. So they are scanned from the original ones, and then I have a bit of made some recoloring and so on, so they will, and resizing, so they will fit into the journals. Eternity has been stitched into your heart. Live a life of love. Remember whose you are. Let no one take your crown. When you go through deep waters, I will be with you. One of my favorite Peppa Bible quotes ever. Climb every mountain, follow every rainbow until you find your dream. I have loved you with an everlasting love. So it's really quite pretty little journal, and if you happen to have bought one of those journaling kits from Paper Garden, I would love to see how your version looks like. It inspires me always to see others' work from the materials I have designed or helped my husband design. And well, that was Eternity in My Heart, one of my absolutely favorite journals. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will kind of see you soon again. Bye bye.